Booking walk-in. Hi, welcome to our booking tutorial. Now let's go to bookings. Simply click Booking on the upper left corner of your screen. You fill in the name, the amount of people, the email, the start time and the end time of the booking. And then you click Add. The reservation automatically appears in your booking screen. This is how you add a walk-in. You fill in the name, the amount of people, where they are going to sit, the length of the reservation, and then we click Add. Here you can see this reservation in your booking screen. We can also move a reservation to a different time slot if you like. If you open chat, you will see that your customer has an automated notification of the changes in their reservation. This enables them to chat back and, where applicable, request changes to the reservation. Thank you.